Namar ka jingkeno ki babun balang halor ka jingyaj lailan jong ki Trok ki bakit Dewiong bat ka jingkeno baki Trok ki Dewiong ki long ki bakit Beain nagalyang jong menteri rangba ka sarkar jela ba Prestone tensong habakran hakilat patai kubor ulong daga bakran scam bakim judon kita ki Trok ki bakit Beain yau Dewiong Henry ki Trok ki bakit Dewiong ki long ki bala abiang ki kot kisla bat ka silan ru om kumbala keno Ulong ru ki Trok ki bakit Dewiong ki bakit yau Dewiong ula dep auction daka coal India bat ong ru bahadu menta kajela kadon hadu lai pu arlak metric ton Dewiong wal yo jingbit bandi bat na kane silak metric ton la ya ki jingsalan yau Dewiong Shushu ulong ru bahalor ke jingkeno bakatanat pulit kimtre ban register case ki Trok ki bala yo kam ulong bagari ke kamram jong ki pulit ban sim kam ye kane namar ka jing ujor ka de ye ki Trok ki badon kot donsla ne ye ki bom don kot donsla
Where is that's what I'm saying, where is the illegal transportation? Because now auction has taken place. You knew it well. And that also the process done by the Coal India. And then not less than now almost 1 lakh metric ton has been auctioned. And then those people who got the challan, then they are traveling. I mean the trucks are moving.
That means these are all legal.
Sorry?
This
is legal, not illegal. It is legal. That is legal as per the challan. Because why? That's what I'm telling you. This process has been completed. Done by whom? By the Coal India. They auction. Because we do have 31 plus almost 32 lakhs metric ton. So out of that, I think not less than 1 lakh metric ton auction process completed. And then challan issued. So you should see from the press, please go and find out. Don't just listen from Tom, Dick and Harry. Please go and find out, meet the DMR, meet the forest. Because see, I'm telling you, don't just listen from anybody, because see, your papers ultimately it becomes cheap. You need to also understand. You please go and see. Meet the director of mineral resources, how many challan issued, how many rocks, how many hundred or how many thousand challans you issued. Against what? It should be that way. That's what I'm telling you. Just because people saying that, oh, this is illegal or this is legal, I think you will get the right information if you go to Mining and Geology Department, Directorate of Mining and Geology, go and ask how many books of challan issued. I think that only you will get all the clarity.
Group as mentioned. Is it genuine that as you said police should register FIR?
No, that's what I'm saying. Let's see, it is their duty who file an FIR to follow it up. Because see, police, they cannot just refuse the FIR. Once you do the FIR means you have to register. Whether that FIR file, is it according to the challan? Is it no paper? Is it no challan? For that, so I don't know, because I just saw in the newspaper. So therefore, I'm telling you, the movement of coal trucks here is according to the auction of coal, 50,000, 1 lakh, like that. So, and now again, the process of auctioning will again restart in West Castles also. They have just done it in Chanty Hills, and now in West Castles, then again in Garo Hills. That's what why you keep asking me this question. I said, why not you name all those other members of that high level committee? Who's that high level? Because as I said to you, don't just listen from Tom, Dick and Harry. If they just say like that, it's not a gospel truth. If you really want from the media house, why don't you please kindly find out the truth? Whether these trucks plying on the road, is it without paper or is it with paper? Is it with challan or is it without challan? With that itself, I'm telling you, you will know everything.
So why the government cannot give order to dig? Is
Sorry?
there not high level?